Okay, sino naka-experience na dito ng ghosting?
May nakilala ako na person, tapos dun na-inlove talaga ako sa taong yun.
Wow.
Huh?
Na-inlove talaga.
That's her right. That's her right to speak badly about you kasi you did her wrong.
Oo nga.
Bakit?
I want an explanation.
I
deserve an explanation.
Pero after nun, he never messaged me anymore. He never said anything anymore.
When is ghosting unacceptable?
Eye-opener din to sa atin, sa generation natin na, alam mo yun, hindi na rin kasi tayo pabata ng pabata.
I ghosted him kasi bad breath siya. Is it really bad to ghost someone because they have bad breath?
Ba't di mo na ako chinachat? Ba't di mo ako kinakausap? Baho kasi hininga mo, magsasalita ka eh.
Sige nga, sabihan mo nga ako na mabaho yung hininga ko na say.
Ay, Shan, wala ka bang ginagawa? Tara, toothbrush tayo!